Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. And tonight in the Righty household, it is nacho night. But not just any nacho. This is baked nacho dip. With, you see, I've got a bunch of bread here for dipping. I've got some baguette stuff. You could use anything. You could, nacho chips, whatever. Oh, there you do. Bubbly cheese and black beans and a chili type thing we made up here, which is kind of like a chili, with a ground meat and some chili powder and paprika and stuff. It's just absolutely fantastic. There's a bit of salsa in there. That's I think that's going to be dinner tonight. Oh, let's go to the kitchen and make some of this right now. All right, to make this dip, up front here are the dip ingredients. So what we've got here is 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 onion, which I've chopped finely. You want to chop it up fine, you don't want it too chunky. 3/4 of a cup of salsa sauce. Now you can decide yourself, you want a mild salsa, a medium, or a hot, whichever flavor suits your family. This is a bit of a milder one, really nice with nachos and stuff. Over here, well, this is 1 can of black beans, which have been rinsed and drained. Back here, 10 ounces or 280 grams of ground meat. Now, in this case, as usual, my favorite, which is the pork and beef mixture. I just think it has more flavor, and also it's a pretty reasonable price. All right, over here, 8 ounces or 230 grams of cheddar cheese, grated. And then across the back here. Now, you can dip all kinds of things in this. So you might want to dip nacho chips in there. You could dip vegetables, different crudites and stuff. Or, in this case, what I've done for tonight, I've prepared up, well, I took a baguette. There's the slices of baguette in here. There's a piece right there. So I took a baguette and cut it crosswise into slices. I didn't think that would be quite enough, so I had another type of bread, which right here. It's a bit bigger, so I cut it into quarters, or at the very end into halves. And this is called a compagno here. I'm not too sure what it is. It's a French type bread. Anyway, anything that you can dip into the dip after is good. So I'm just going to put that aside, because otherwise I'm sure I'm going to knock pieces of bread all over the place. So let's get it out over there for right now. First thing I want to do, I'm going to bring this up to medium heat. And then I'm going to add in the olive oil first. Add in the olive oil. Get that heated up a little bit. Spread it around. Get the onion in there. All right, now I'm going to cook that onion just about 5-6 minutes. All I want to do really is I just want to soften the onion up a bit before I'm adding in the ground meat and the spices. So about 5-6 minutes. I'll see you back here then. All right, the onions just softened up a little bit. That's all we need. We don't need to brown them or anything. We just want to soften them up. Now, going to get the ground meat in there. And chili powder, paprika, salt. All right, this I do want to brown a little bit. I'm going to cook it about 8-10 minutes. And then I should be ready to add the other ingredients and put it in the oven. So back here in about 8-10 minutes. Just stirring this around a bit, get it all mixed together, keep it cooking. It's gonna be good. All right, see you in a bit. All right, it's been browning up nicely. So what I'm gonna do now, turn the heat off. I want to get the beans in there. Mix those in a bit. I'll get that, distributed throughout. And then the salsa. See. All right, get all that good salsa in there. Okay, you mix that in. And now, what do I do with the cheese? It's only good at least half the cheese, maybe just a little more than half the cheese, and mix it into this. So let's get that. It's still a bit hot. Spread that down inside there. Looks like I could use a bit more, so let's go to over. We're just about 3/4 of the cheese inside. All right. Then smooth it all out. Get it nice and evenly set across here. You take the rest of that cheese and sprinkle that across the top. Put it there. Even that out a bit. All right, that's going to be delicious. All right, that's going to go in the oven over there. 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. About 15 to 20 minutes. I just wanted to get nice and bubbly and all melty and delicious. All right. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Hot, hot. It's getting a little thin. All right. That, I went just about 20 minutes, and ooh, look at that. It's bubbling away down in there. That is looking absolutely fantastic. That's going to be a nice nacho dip tonight. All right, if you like this recipe for this baked nacho dip, well, check out the rest of the channel. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley recipes here on the Kuma's Kitchen channel. And it's all kinds of eclectic stuff. This, I'm looking forward to eating this tonight. Also make sure that you are subscribed and that you've clicked that notification bell because you don't want to miss any upcoming recipes. Who knows what's coming next? Now, go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.